What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 MasterCraft XT23 in this awesome Kahuna flake. I think this boat pops really well in the water. You guys are going to love it. So back here on the transom, we just want to highlight a couple of the options that we have. We have the pop-up seat backs here in the transom, great spot for hanging out while your kids are in the water. Here we do have the swim platform, folds down super easy, makes it easy for everybody to get in and out of the boat. And what it's attached to, you can see, we do have the Kahuna flake swim platform as well. I think it's a great addition. Wraps in that color from the side hull and sets it apart from a lot of other boats in the water. So inside here in the cockpit, we do have the two-tone gray upholstery with the Kahuna accents on it. I think this boat looks awesome with this setup. Underneath, you see we have the Decadence flooring option, which is one of probably my favorite flooring options for us. Super easy to maintain. You can pull it out, rinse it off, put it right back in. Antimicrobial as well, so it's not gonna get any funky smells in it. And then lastly, we also show a couple of the storage spots here. We've got our cooler spot on the starboard side, and plenty of storage down here on the port side. So here on the dash, we do have the dual screen setup. This top screen, one of my favorite features on anything with the Z8 or Z10 tower is gonna be this awareness cam off the back. Huge peace of mind for me as the driver. I can look forward and focus what's ahead of me, but while still able to have a line of sight of my rider. And then on this right side, this is gonna be our touch screen that's gonna control basically all of our operations with anything surf related or wakeboard related. Easy to use. You have your 1 to 7 drag scale for Surf Star. You can dial in that wave perfectly for the specific rider. And then down low, that's gonna be a lot of our vitals. So whether that's music, zone control, or any of our lights, everything's gonna happen on this right side screen. So up here in the bow, the thing I wanna focus on here is gonna be the storage. Both of these seats pop up. This port side storage is communicating all the way to the back quarter of the boat. So anything, so storage wise, if it's skis, whatever it is, there is room for it. And then this middle part, I think is a great feature. Is going to be our storage for our anchor. No more having to get a bunch of different spots dirtied up. The anchor goes right there, locks in, super easy for y'all. Thank you guys for checking out this 2023 XT23 with me. If this boat maybe isn't for you, we have a great selection across the DFW Metroplex right now. Hop on to MarineMax.com, find everything that we have in stock, as well as check out all of the financing that we have. We offer competitive in-house financing so we can take care of you guys, one-stop shop. Thank you.